Hello everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'm looking at the SLV here, the weekly long-term chart of SLV to show this long-term consolidation that I have been watching for quite a few months. And if some of you may recall, I looked at this chart a while back and noting this upper consolidation. We have a zone right here where the silver auction tends to shy away from, right at the $20 level. And that is still holding true. So that's good information. We have this upper area here where the auction has spent a lot of time in price exploration, came down below here, didn't spend as much time, came up, tried to get back up, fell back down, did pretty much a V-shaped recovery, spent a long time up here, and we have this upper boundary that's coming down. And I really felt, if I go into now a daily chart, I really felt that when we were rejecting so quickly back up into this range here, especially here, that this was going to happen. And we did take a long trade here. But this right here is something that has got to be noted, and it's important. And since this failure, when something spends this much time in a consolidation and then moves out of it beyond a major boundary and then fails this dramatically, that is a big deal. And we did get a pretty good bounce right here, but then we made a lower high, and then we've fallen back into this area where I have a rectangle. I kind of consider this the meat of the balance area as we have spent time in here again. So what I am seeing happen here now is, I know that over the last year we've heard a lot of advertisements, financial security, buy gold, buy silver, but I have a feeling here that the silver bulls might be in trouble. And the reason is because what could not happen here. And not only have we come back and spent a little bit of time here, we tried to go below again, and then we have a time cycles where we're pretty narrowly moving down, and it did not take very long for this price to come back down, and it's testing the value area. I guess I'll continue to use that term, the value area here. And so I don't think that this bodes well for the price of silver for the near future, at least. I would not be surprised to see silver move on down. We've got a trend line right there. That's pretty near, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it move on down. And then the question is, what's going to happen when that moves on down? If we go back out to a weekly, what's going to happen if that moves all the way down and breaks out? Maybe what I thought was going to happen here on the price squeeze, which can create an asymmetric move, a dynamic move. It could be that actually is going to happen on this side of things. So I'm going to position to take a nibble at this, a low risk nibble right here to the downside and go short right here at this red arrow and put a stop right above it back up into this zone. And I'm willing to take more than one trade, but this is such a low risk proposition for a potential to see at least be in the game for what might be happening here. So that's how I see silver right now. I think the bulls might be a little bit in trouble here, at least in the near term. So I hope you find this helpful and constructive, and whatever strategy you use, there's a possible short trade here, but such a low risk, it's worth giving it a try.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.